Obsessional defiant disorder can be misdiagnosed if you don't take good history about sleep. If they don't get enough sleep, it's going to make them maybe act like an attention deficit disorder. You're going to be angry. You're going to not listen to people, which means you're defiant. And maybe sometimes it's just a sleep problem and not ODD or attention deficit disorder. Is that possible, a misdiagnosis?
I agree totally. I find that in the office quite a bit. See, what usually goes along with that, I found, is that the kids are watching an excessive amount of television. And a lot of times they're being overstimulated. So they might be going to bed at a reasonable time. But if their mind is being stimulated by all of these images and words and some of these overly stimulating television programs, so by the time it gets to be 8:30, 9 o'clock, their bedtime, their brain has been overstimulated and they wake up the next morning exhausted. So I always tell parents, not only, yes, make the child go to bed maybe even just 15 minutes earlier, but also stop the television at least an hour before they go to sleep.